Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have joysticks, lots of them. I have one of the joysticks hooked up to my Checkmate Amiga and I've got Amiga test kit on here, so I'm going to test the joystick with this. So this is quite good because you can go one, there's only one button on here. Work, so up, down, left, right. Oh, that one's fine. Joystick number 3. This one's wide for 2 buttons. That's good. Not sure if auto fire is working, but all the buttons are. That's 1, 2. These 2 buttons. But yes, it seems to be working. Well, that's a bonus. A 2-button joystick. Joystick number 4. Only 1 button, but everything seems to be working okay. Joystick number 5. Looks like left, right and down aren't working on this one. The button is. Joystick number 6. Oh. Up and right are working. Down and left aren't. 1 and 5. Yeah, 5 buttons are